Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista 101, and today we are going to be planning in my social media planner, which is classic size dashboard layout. This planner is called New Day. I'm going to be using the Southern Bells from Recollections, which has so much blue, as well as the Indigo from the Happy Planner. I think those two sticker books complement each other so fantastically that I needed to try and make a spread with those. So I wanted to start with a big flower like so. And because a tiny speck will peek out, I am going to go ahead and put some correction tape on top. Here we go. And I'm just going to arrange them in the proper way, like so. And I think that's beautiful. Okay, while I am picking out some stickers, I wanted to say thank you if you have already been subscribed to my channel. I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for supporting me. And if you are new, welcome. I hope you enjoy it here, and I hope that you stay if you enjoy content like this. Okay. Back to the spread now. I'm going to be adding little flowers kind of all over the place, and that way it will cover up that focus area in there, because I don't really use that for anything in my social media other than decoration. It makes me happy to look at that area. It's always decorated for me. And you can do the same thing if you don't use that area, or you can move it up or down to the area that you don't use it. So I usually make my stickers pretty decorational. So in the indigo, there's this beautiful copper gold, like rose gold, and they're small boxes and they're small enough to cover up this. And I think rose gold and blue go beyond well together. So here we go. I'm going to be adding more stickers. I want to add a couple to-do boxes. So I'm gonna start it on lower and then go like so. I think that looks good. And I'm gonna add one more to Sunday. Sunday I usually do some filming or editing, it depends. Because during the week I have my regular 9 to 5 job. Or actually mine is 8 to 5, sometimes 10 hours, but yeah, my regular full-time job. So this is kind of a separate thing. Okay, and I pulled out a washi strip, and I think this washi strip is so beautiful with those blues. Do you see how it's capturing like the color of the leaves, the background, and the light blues with the whites and the flowers? It's just the way these colors combine together is just perfection. Okay, so here we go. A strip up. I'm going to separate those two little boxes up there. Here's one, and I just took my retractable X-Acto knife, and I'm just cutting it to measure, because again, I don't know if that's gonna look good, but I like it. It's a little crooked, but that's okay. I can live with that. And then I'm adding a small piece to the bottom, because you can't have nothing on this side. So I'm gonna add some florals to this side as well. Oh, look at all of these blues. I love it so much. So I'm gonna start peeling up some florals and adding them around the boxes. I think that's gonna be a pretty great idea. I'm gonna lift up the box just a bit and add a floral underneath, like so. Sometimes I like my flowers without rhyme or a reason to look a certain way, and this is certainly the same case where I know kind of what I want. I'm just trying to make it happen and see if it works. So now I'm gonna add a few clear stickers. I am sorry it's slightly out of frame. Let me add that. And let me add some smaller ones and make my own arrangement. Isn't that awesome? And even if you have an arrangement that's already pre-made, you can always cut out a flower, add a flower. Don't be afraid to change up what you have in your sticker books. If you have a vision, go for it. So I'm gonna add a big blue one right in the middle. And I think I need to bring a little bit more peaches to both sides. I really like this color combo with the blue and peaches. I think it works pretty amazing. I'm gonna lift this flower up and add that one kind of underneath, like they're stemming from each other. Okay, one more peach one. Let's add that one to Monday to kind of spread the peach all around the page. And I think that works pretty great. Please make sure you let me know what you think of this one. This is so different for me. I usually keep it not as busy as this, but once in a while I really enjoy a busy spread, and I just do whatever I feel like. Truly, I don't have a planned rhyme or reason of why I'm putting certain stickers the way that I'm putting them. I just do it just because. So I'm trying to figure out if I can add anything else from this book. I'm sure I can, I just don't want, I still need space to write. That's what I'm trying to say, is that I still need space to write, so that's why this is the way it is. I do need a checklist for those two little boxes, and I'm just gonna grab blue ones, of course, right? And I'm going to just cut them to my appropriate length, and I think that'll be good. So I'm just gonna grab my X-Acto knife. Here we go. And that looks like it's hiding behind the floral, and I like that a lot. Okay, something on top is missing, I think, and I need one more thing and then we'll be done for sure. I love this arrangement so much that I need to have it, and the other one I love even more, but it's too big, so I want to add that one, and I think that will be it. Let me know down below what you think, and as always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Have a great day. Bye.